Hi everyone, in this video I will be demonstrating how to download a video from your Blackboard course, upload it to YouTube, and then replace the video on Blackboard with a link to the YouTube video. So I'm pretending I'm a teacher now. I'm going to the course content of my class in Blackboard and I'm going to find the videos that I want to download. So for example, I know that in my Unit 6 folder I have a video there. So what I would do is I would locate that video file and I want to download it so it's saved on my computer. So I'll go to this three dot icon in the corner and I'll click download and you'll see the video begins to download. From there we can go to YouTube. You'll want to make sure that you're logged into YouTube with your Caldwell credentials. So you can check that by going to your icon in the top right corner and then making sure that it states your Caldwell email under this menu. If you don't see it there and you see your private email, you can go to switch account and then select your Caldwell email address. If you don't see that there, you would want to click sign out and then sign in with your Caldwell email. So once you're signed in there, you're ready to upload a video. You'll click this create icon and then select upload video. From there, you'll be able to click this select files button and find the video on your computer. So I know that my video is in my download folder, so I'm going to find that in my downloads and then I'll click open. And that video will begin to upload. Once that processes, you will give your video a title. I'm going to call this Brianna's example video. You'll want to give it a description. You could add a thumbnail, which is basically like a title image. You would have to create that if you wanted to add something like that, but it's optional. You can also add your your video to a playlist, and playlists can help you keep things organized. So for example, if you have all videos from Unit 1 or Unit 2, you could create playlists, Unit 1 video playlist, Unit 2 videos playlist. So you would click this drop down menu and select create playlist and then add it to that. I won't do that now, but just know that that's available. You'll want to select no, this is not made for kids in terms of your audience. And then you'll also want to select this more options button. From here, you want to locate the language subtitles and closed captioning section. From the video language, obviously you'll want to select English unless your video is in another language. And then you'll also want to select this content has never aired on television in the US. And then everything else will leave and we'll click next. We'll skip this video elements part. I'm going to click next. And then the next thing is the visibility. So private, unlisted, or public. A private video is only for you and people you choose to watch the video, so you would have to add those people. An unlisted video will be available to only those with the link. So if you're sending the link to your students or posting it on Blackboard, only your students will have the link, so only they are watching it. And then public is for everyone to see it, so anyone on YouTube can look up your video and watch it. The unlisted and public settings play into factor when you upload your video to Blackboard because there's just different ways that you can search for your video, and if it's unlisted, you're not able to search for it, but we'll get to that. So we're all done with the settings. We want to click publish, and then you'll see your video upload. You can copy the link here, but we'll just close this for now, and you'll see my video is listed here in my channel content. So I see my example video, and I also see example video 2, which I uploaded previously. I'm going to actually set this as unlisted, which I should have done in my example. So I have one unlisted video and one public video. So I'm going to show you what that has to do with when we go to Blackboard. So we'll go back to Blackboard, and now I want to add this video. If I go to build content and I select YouTube video, I'm going to be able to search for that public video, but I will not be able to search for the unlisted video. So I know my public video is called Brianna's example video 2, so I'm just going to search for that. And I'll see that appears. I can click select to select that video. It's public. So it did show up in that search, which is great. And then, you could add a description. Then you can scroll down, and under this mashup options, you'll want to select embed video. And what this will do is it will make the video appear straightforwardly in your Blackboard course so students can just see the video, click play, and begin watching it rather than having it open in a new window or open in a pop-up box. I'll show you what that looks like. These things are optional. I mean, you could select yes or no. You could add an attachment, say, for example, if you have an assignment to go along with the video, and then set these standard options. I'm going to click submit. So here you'll see the original video file that we had downloaded before, and now you'll see this video hosted on YouTube. So students can just click this play button, and then the video begins to play, and they can just watch it right in there. And this is what an embedded video looks like. Okay, so now we've added the public video, but okay, what if you have an unlisted video? You would go to build content and then select item. We'll name it Brianna's video example. And then in this text area, I want to select this link icon. So I'll click on that, and then I'm going to get this link to my unlisted video. So back in YouTube, I'm going to find my video, click on this three-dot icon, and click Get Shareable Link. That will copy automatically. I'll go back to Blackboard, and I'll paste that in the URL section. The text to display should really be maybe the title of your video. Brianna's video example. I'll just make that the title as well. And then I'll have this open in a new window. And I'm going to click Save and then Submit. Okay, so that will add to the bottom, and you can see that this is just a link. So if the student clicks on this link, it will take them to YouTube where they can watch the video. Okay, the last way that you can add a video is by embedding it, and this is a little bit more difficult, but still fairly easy. So the one thing you want to do is go to Build Content, click Item. Again, we'll title it Brianna's Video Example. I'll call this Brianna's Video Example Embedded. Okay, and then I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to click on this little hash mark icon, which is for HTML coding. Don't be intimidated by the coding part. It's fairly easy. You'll click that and you'll see there's a box that pops up where you can paste the code. So we'll need to go back to the video. So luckily I've opened it. You'll have to find the video within YouTube so that you can get to this share icon and click this embed icon. And then you'll click copy, and that will copy the code, and then all you do is paste it. Oops. All you do is paste it there and click save. You know, don't be intimidated by the code. All you do is you're just copying and pasting it somewhere, just as you're copying and pasting a link even. And then you'll see your video appears there in full display, and then you'll click submit. And now you will see, here's our original MP4 video file. Here's our link to the YouTube mashup feature for the public videos. Here's a link to the unlisted video where students can click on the video and it takes them to YouTube. And then this is a great way to embed your video and share it with students by simply just copying and pasting that embed code into your item. Okay, so then once you're done and you've pasted it one of these three ways, you can go ahead and delete that video file. So once you locate it, you'll go next to the name, select the drop-down menu, and click delete, and then click OK. And that video file will be gone, which helps to save on storage in our Blackboard community. So I hope you found this video helpful. Reach out to the online education department if you need any assistance with this, and thanks for watching.